Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. This video here, we're gonna cover this Lincoln Aviator. So here's our matte black finish that we're going for. Now this matte black is very similar to a color that some of you may get confused. Now matte black looks like satin black, but the thing about satin black, it has more of a sheen to it. Now to the right, we have gloss black. Satin black sits right in between the two. And here's an example, and you see that it has more of a sheen to it. So it's like a semi-gloss finish. So if you're ever ordering this material or you ever want to book an appointment, you want to make sure that you have the right color code to whatever the finish that you're aiming for. So here's a quick note for you. Now here's a practice that I like to do when I come down to measuring and cutting out the material. I like to use a long ruler, measuring tape, a blade to cut through the material, a Sharpie to pretty much mark each and every panel that I cut. Now that measuring tape pretty much measures out my width and my height. The ruler, I use the ruler to pretty much draw the line to wherever I want to cut. And I use the blade to slice through the separator from the roll. Now once I make my cuts, I'll roll this material up, sit it to the side, and that's when I'll apply the material as the panels that I use going all the way around the vehicle. That way there, I can watch it, everything go down, and I can watch the rolls decrease as I work my way around the vehicle. As I create my measurements, I use a book, and in this book, I pretty much keep tabs on the measurements of each vehicle. I put the year also, but it helps me because sometimes I get the same vehicles in here. This saves me time. I don't have to do any measurements. And as I do my cutouts, I like to put my check marks. So I'll list everything here. I'll put my height, my width. I got the name of the vehicle. I'll add the year, and then I'll go ahead and create my cuts. Now, as I create my cuts, it helps me here. My intentions are to save as much material as possible. Now this is one layout. Every vehicle is not gonna have this same layout. You will have different layouts and different cuts that you will have to make. And this one here, I made the best of it. So since I'm used to it, I know how to make my cuts. Now this one roll here is a 5-foot roll, and it's about 12 foot long. So this is my left side here. I have my rear bumper at the top, and I got my arrows facing. I got my left top quarter panel, and then I start here. I got my left front door. I have my left rear door, and then I have my left rear quarter panel. And as I mentioned, there's the top side right there. Now the X's, I won't use those pieces. Those pieces won't get used, so they're blanks. So I keep those over to the side, and I still have my roll here. And I'm going to finish up the right side in the same form. Like I said, man, this is to save material. This process here helps for me, and hopefully you can take it under your belt.